Have you ever wondered how air pollution affects us in our daily life? Did you know that while you are living your life peacefully, air pollution is getting worse and worse by the second? You might think that air pollution is not such a big deal, but it is very important and it is a big problem. Well, this presentation is about air pollution and how it affects us in our daily life.
Okay.
Sorry.
Elif, it's okay. This is practice. Okay, let's try that again. You just gotta tap. When you tap, you're sort of like fidgeting. Don't worry about it. Just do this. When you're here, watch. It's make sense? All right. So hold on a second. Slide this way. You're good. Slide this way. Okay. Start.
Have you ever wondered how air pollution affects us in our daily life? Did you know that while you are living your life peacefully, air pollution is getting worse and worse by the second? You might think that air pollution is not such a big deal, but it is a very big problem and it is important. Well, this presentation is about air pollution and how it affects us in our daily life. Air pollution is basically all the bad particles in the air. To dig deeper into it, you have to consider factors like how it is caused, how we can help, the solutions to it, how it got worse over the years, and why some places have more air pollution than others. There are many causes to air pollution. Some of the main causes to air pollution are the burning of fossil fuels and natural disasters like wildfires, volcano eruptions, and dust storms. Some other causes are too much pollen and smoke that come from industries and factories. Humans are the biggest main cause of air pollution. Human activity is mostly why there is air pollution. Did you know that while you are driving, you're polluting? Your car releases car exhaust, which goes up into the air and makes up smog and acid rain. 60% of air pollution is made because of transportation vehicles. Air pollution also causes global warming. Aerosols are some of the causes of aerosols are called aerosols. The bad particles in the air are called aerosols. Too much pollen, wildfires, and dust storms are aerosols. Smog and acid rain are both effects of air pollution. Smog is a very thick and black smoke, and when it happens, it is hard to see and breathe. Acid rain is when sleet, snow, or rain falls down and it contains acid in it. This acid is obviously formed from air pollution. Fossil fuels are when coal, oil, or gas get burned and it lets dangerous chemicals into the air, which is bad for us and our health. Smog. Air pollution is described in two ways: primary sources and secondary sources. Primary sources are when pollutants go directly up into the air without going through a chemical reaction. Secondary sources are when pollutants have to go through a chemical reaction, which is just like a cycle. The Earth has two layers, one that protects us and one that harms us. The first layer protects us, which is the good ozone layer, and it protects us from the ultraviolet sun rays. And the second one that is closer to us is the bad ozone layer, which basically collects all the air pollution and makes a hole in the first one, which lets the ultraviolet rays in, which is very bad for us. Air pollution gets worse because some people do not realize how severe it is. Even Romans 2,000 years ago were complaining about how bad and dirty the air was. There are many solutions to air pollution, but if everyone doesn't do their part, air pollution will not be close to being stopped. Some of the solutions to air pollution are solutions to air pollution are not to use your car to short places and to start walking more. This is healthy for you and the earth. And secondly, try to turn off your lights when not in use and try to reuse things like paper. And last but not least, turn off your air conditioner when not in use and try not to use it as much. Air pollution isn't just outside, it is also inside. When air pollution is inside, it is called indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution is caused by the stuff in your house. For example, compounds and carpets building materials, and even furniture causes indoor air pollution. As well as air pollution is caused by stuff that are in your house, it is also caused by stuff we do naturally. For instance, when you close the window, it causes the air to be trapped inside and it makes bad air. And that starts to make indoor air pollution. Cigarettes also cause indoor air pollution. Cigarettes, when you smoke one, the cigarette smoke go up into the air and it starts to make indoor air pollution. Overall, air pollution, you've seen the effects of air pollution and it is very bad for us and it needs to be stopped. Now it's your turn to help air pollution. Go to my blog and scan this QR code for more information.